First, we draw a force diagram of our situation. An object is on top of a ramp with an incline of some angle theta. There will be gravity acting upon the object, and the ramp will have to push perpendicular to its surface by a normal force exactly how hard it is pushed upon on its perpendicular axis, which prohibits it from moving. The last force is kinetic friction, which acts along the ramp opposing movement. The most important detail is to notice that the vector addition of the normal and gravitational forces are always parallel to one another and parallel to the ramp's surface. Our equation will be an addition of forces along that axis. The vector addition in the dotted lines represent the x minus the force of friction is the net force. We then substitute in the equations for each of these symbols and then do simple algebra. And then we find that the mass doesn't really matter for the acceleration. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember that A equals the little g cosine theta minus mu k little g sine theta. And always remember that you matter and are valuable to somebody in your life. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.